tune in to Chef Lane's Gumbo, seafood chicken gumbo, you know what I'm saying? So today I'm gonna show y'all how I cook, you know what I'm saying? Seafood gumbo, you know what I mean? So first I'm gonna season my chicken up. Got all my stuff prepped up. You might want to prep all your stuff up, so, you know, so the process can go a little faster, whatever, you know. You got your dried shrimps right here. You got your fresh shrimps right here. You got your seasoning and your blendings. You know what I'm saying? That's your onion, bell pepper, whatever you like to use. You know what I'm saying? Usually I put crawfish in mine too, but today I'm just doing the basics. You know what I'm saying? Because they don't have no crawfish and they don't have no crabs either. So I'm gonna just show y'all the way I do it. You know what I mean? Okay, I already seasoned my chicken. You can fry your chicken until they brown. You can put them in the oven, or you can just put them in your gumbo. Right, after I put a little grease in my pot, I'm start adding my seasoning. Like my onion, bell pepper, and stuff like that. I'm put my smoke sauce in there. My onion, bell pepper, smoke sauce. Then I let it saute for a little while. After you let it saute for what, about 5 minutes, 5-6 minutes, whatever. You know what I'm saying? You know what it look like when it's finished sauteing. After saute's real good, you're gonna want to add your water. I'm gonna add my water. Okay, after your gumbo come to a boil, once your water start boiling in your gumbo, you want to add your seasonings. Cajun gumbo base. I use a half a bag on the pot that I'm using, so it all depends on what size pot you're using. So that's this here. I'm gonna throw this in there. That's a half a bag. That's a half a bag, so that's like a cup. When I say a cup, we'll add that. Okay. Okay, after you put that in there, you're gonna want to put the season all in there. So I don't put no salt, no pepper, no nothing. Just you get some seasoning on. I put some seasoning on it. Okay. Let's stir that up. And your gumbo base might be kind of thick or something like that, but you smash it against the wall of your pot. You know, that's what I do. It might have the chunks in it because that's what it do, but I'm gonna smash that up a little bit. Okay. Let that ball. As you can see, it's looking good already. Alright. Next thing you wanna do, I put a bag of this in there. Shrimp powder. You know what I mean? You put the shrimp powder in there. So I throw that in there. Throw my shrimp powder in there. Okay. Let that come to a boil. Throw my shrimp powder in there. That's whatever flavor you want, you know. That's what I use. Everybody else use different things, but that's what I use. Okay. After that, I throw in my dried shrimps. You know what I'm saying? I put in my dried shrimp. These are shrimp that been dried out. I eat one of them first. Make sure they taste good. You know. And then it's just a little bag. Get your bag of dried shrimp. All depending on how much you want to put in there. And you put your dried shrimp in there. That's to give it that seafood taste. It ain't nothing but like shrimp powder, but without being grinded up. That's all that is. So I let that ball come to a ball. Let that cook. Stir that in, mix that in a little bit. Okay. Then I use this. And this can be all my greens. I use this here. Shrimp and crab ball. Now this stuff is concentrated, so it's you don't need much. So what I do is I get the top, and I do a top full, and then I do another cap full. So it's 2 cap fulls. That's what I do. Well, that's gonna give it that flavor. Okay. After I put my crab ball in there, I'm gonna put a little gumbo filet in there. This the gumbo filet I use. Now you can use whatever gumbo filet you want, or you don't have to put it there. I just put it there. You know, I put like a little half of a cap, or a cap full, maybe a half a cap. And you throw that in there. You know, after I put my filet in there, I'm gonna put 3 bouillon cubes in there. You know, you can put as many as you want, but I'm gonna put 3 in the pot that I have. I'll put on with the pot that you have, but me first, I'm gonna just put 3 bouillon cubes in there. See them? I'm gonna throw them in there. I mean, like I said, it doesn't matter what order. It's just to give it your flavor that you want. But I want that seafood gumbo taste, so you know that's why I did the dried shrimps and the shrimp powder. I really like that seafood taste. Yes. Alright. After I let it boil for like 30 minutes, I'm gonna take my chicken out the oven. So I bake my chicken for like about 45 minutes until they get brown, crispy brown like this here. Okay, after you do that, you know, as long as they done, you want them done. You don't want them overdone, but you want them done. Okay, then you're gonna put them in your gumbo like this. Okay, no matter how much you use and what kind of chicken you use, you know what I mean. You can use chicken breast, you can use leg and thigh, you know, whatever you prefer. You know. I'm gonna let it go for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna let my chicken cook in there about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. Alright. After you let it boil for like 15 minutes, after you put your chicken in there, I'm gonna put my shrimps in there. My seafood, my shrimps. Okay, now you can put your shrimps or your crabs in there right now. But I don't have crabs right now because they was out. So I'm gonna put these shrimp. But these are jumbo shrimps. They didn't have much, so I got what I can get. Like a pound of them, pound and a half, 2 pounds, something like that. So what I did, like if I bought like 20 shrimps, I cut them in half. I cut them down the middle. And when they finish, after you cook them, you wouldn't know the difference. So I made 20, 40. You know what I mean? I cut them down the middle, and you know. So after, you know, like I said, now you put your shrimps in there. And the shrimps cook themselves. You can really turn the pot off if you want, or you can keep it on for like 2 or 3 more minutes. Me, I'm gonna keep it on for like 2 or 3 more minutes so I can get that flavor in it like I want it. You know, as you see, it's gonna cool it all the way off, but it's gonna start back boiling in a few minutes, and you know, let it stay on about 3 more minutes, and it'll be done. There you go, everybody.